Did you know that according to statistics worldwide, 1 in 20 of these aged 65 and above have problems related to their memory and concentration? There is also a smaller group of people who may develop early onset of this problem from as young as their 40s or even late 30s. So why do we face deterioration of memory or lack of concentration? There are several factors could cause our memory to deteriorate and lose our focus of concentration. One of the most important aspects that most individuals lack is the quality and quantity of sleep we get each day, which causes fatigue that can interfere with the brain's ability to retrieve information. Next, depression and stress would affect the memory as it makes individuals loses their concentration and focus. In addition, lack of a good nutrition can also affect the brain function. For instance, vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids are nutrients needed for cognitive performance. Excessive usage of alcohol and drugs, on the other hand, has also been recognized as one of the causes that could damage brain cells. While smoking harms memory by reducing the amount of oxygen that goes to the brain. And lastly, suffering from a head injury or trauma can injure the brain and impair cognitive performance. There are many different effective ways to help you to improve your memory and concentration, be it from lifestyle choices, dietary habits, physical activities, or even through supplementation. Eating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, which are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, can help to protect the brain cells and improve cognitive function. Besides that, a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids are particularly essential for the brain health and cognitive performance. Marine fishes especially are rich sources of omega-3s. Once you have gotten your dietary habits right, lifestyle choices cannot be neglected too. Getting your body to move with a regular physical activity will help to increase your blood circulation and oxygen flow to the brain. Studies have shown the quality and amount of sleep we get per day is necessary for memory consolidation too. Therefore, it is important to get a good night's sleep on average 7 to 8 hours each day. Did you know that the right supplementation can also be an excellent way to improving the brain health? Introducing the BioGinkgo, an extra strength preparation of ginkgo biloba leaf extract for the maintenance of healthy cognitive performance and circulatory health. BioGinkgo, which represents 27% flavonoid glycosides and 7% of terpene lactones, which are the active ingredients found in the ginkgo biloba leaves. These leaves are then gone through a patented 28 steps of extraction and washing process, requiring 50 kilograms of leaves to yield 1 kilogram of extract, which makes BioGinkgo having the highest concentration of the active ingredients. So how does BioGinkgo benefit us? BioGinkgo is able to stimulate memory and concentration. Ginkgo flavone glycosides are antioxidants with activities thought to promote normal cognitive function and memory. In addition, it promotes circulation to the brain, arms, and legs. Terpene lactones in BioGinkgo have shown to increase circulation, particularly to the brain, which facilitates normal brain function, memory, and concentration. Therefore, individuals who want to improve their memory and concentration while improving their overall blood circulatory health can take BioGinkgo 1 capsule twice a day. With the right stimulation, the more you work out your brain, the better you'll be able to process and remember information.